Hello and welcome to our tutorial on booking flights with Qatar Airways online, the best method to ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience. And this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process from start to finish. First, open your Qatar Airways application. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the option called Book at the bottom. Tap on it. Here you can book your ticket, that is one way, multi-city or return. For this tutorial I'm going to be choosing one way, and you can also choose the departure date as well as your passenger's seat, or you can also include your promo code if you have one. Then click on search flights. Now Qatar Airways will now display a list of available flights based on your search criteria. You can filter these results by price, departure time, and duration to find the best option for you. Once you found a suitable flight, click on it to see some more details. Review the flight information including the price, departure and arrival times and type of aircraft. After you've liked it, tap on select the sphere. Now you'll need to enter the passenger details including names, contact information, and any special requests such as meal preferences or seat preferences. You can enter the details or simply scan your passport. After entering passenger information, you will have the option to select your seats. Qatar Airways offers various seating options including standard seats, extra legroom seats and preferred seating. At this stage, you can also choose to add additional services such as travel insurance, airport transfers, or lounge access if available. Finally, it's time to make payment. Qatar Airways accepts a variety of payment methods, including credit, debit cards, and PayPal. Follow the prompts to complete your booking securely. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email with your e-ticket and booking details. You can also access your booking through the Qatar Airways website or mobile app. And there you have it. You've successfully booked your flight on Qatar Airways online using the best method. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for travel tricks and tips.